So this has been sitting here for a while, and as you can see, that red light has gone out on it. So let's go ahead and we'll unplug it like that, and we'll shut this and we're going to turn it on and see how much battery we got. So if you look, you're going to see there's a couple of different things on here. You got a little button here and you got a button up here. To get it to turn on, all you got to do is press this and hold it. And it should pop right up. And then once it does, it should give us, some prompts. And yeah, it's asking me if I want English. And I do. I do want English. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of service. Yeah, I agree. GPS enables awesome features for your videos. I'm going to leave it off. Turn on to control your camera using your voice. I'm going to leave that off. Scan to finish setting up your GoPro using the Quick app. So we could do that right now. So let's try this. I think I probably already have the GoPro app on here, but what I got to do is I've got to go to the camera. And so you're going to go to your camera, you're going to go to photo, and then you're just going to do this. And then that should open up the GoPro app. Yeah, there it is. And you can see I already have it. So let's just go ahead and, let's go ahead and load it or upload it. I don't know why it's not letting me do it. There we go. All right, so now that's going to load. You see? Because, I had the Hero, I think 11. And, okay. Let's not do it for right now. But there, you can see that was me. Premium, subscribe and get the most. No, I don't think so. Let's close that. So this is, this is the app right here. There's a picture of me right there. All right, so let's go back here and GoPro Quick app. We did that. So let's go back. Are you sure? Connecting your camera to the GoPro Quick app lets you easily transfer, edit, and share. All right, let's continue then. All right, so I'm in. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to set that down. I'm going to go in here. I didn't realize I was going to do this, but I've got to get media, slides, GoPro, enable Bluetooth, allow. All right, we can't find the GoPro. Make sure your GoPro is nearby. It's right here. Connect your camera to the cloud. Okay, set up. Oh, shit. I don't want to do that. No, I don't think so. Oh, look, see, this has got the 10. I had the 10. Scan for new footage. We can't find this GoPro. Make sure your GoPro is nearby. Okay, yeah. But what I'm trying to do is get this one, troubleshoot. Make sure your GoPro is nearby. Try toggling your phone's Bluetooth on, off and on. Check your camera to make sure that it is wireless and it's connected. All right, so let's go. Let's go into settings here and let's look Bluetooth. Let's see if it sees it. Yeah, it doesn't seem to find it. I mean, here we are, we're in here. So it should show up as GP and then this number, but it's not. So this is already giving me a problem and we haven't even done anything yet. Yeah, skip setup. All right, so it's asking me my time zone now. And I'm in the USA. So I got to find a USA time zone. No, back. That's Los Angeles, Denver, Houston, New York. That's it there. All right. Is your region currently on daylight savings time? Well, we just sprung forward, so I don't know. I guess not. All right, so we're going to do the date. Okay, so we got to go. We're in 3. Today is the 12th. And it's 2025. Okay, done. And the time is 10:47. 10:47 a.m. Done. All right, so now we got all that done, but check it out. So it's telling me that the battery is 98%, which is good. That's what we were trying to do. And over here, I don't have my SD card in yet. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you check and see if it's charged. All right, so if you look up here, you can see no card, green. So when you see that red thing, you got to get your card in there. So now I'm going to show you guys how to put an SD card in. All right, so if you notice on this side, you've got your on button. Here you've got your camera facing you, and then the name GoPro here. So you're going to go to the left side over here, and you're going to see a little gate and a door. And if you look at the very bottom here, you're going to see this little ledge. So what you got to do is get your thumbnail in that ledge, and then you're going to take and put your finger over here on the back of it. And you're going to push this up until it pops open. And it opens pretty easily. And then you're going to see in here, right there, is the spot where you're going to put your card. So let's go ahead and get our card, right? So here it is. It came in this little bag, which, you know, it's nice. Ooh, dropped it. I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. So here's our card. And now we got to get it in there. And I do believe when we put it in, we have to face the logo to the back of the camera. And then it should just slip in there. And if you look, when I push it, it's got a little spring to it. So I may have to get my thumbnail in there and kind of smush it down. And now it's in. And if you look on front here, you're going to see that disappeared on us. So I just want to show you guys, look, to get it out, it's the same thing. You got to get your thumbnail on it, smush it, and it pops up. You see how it popped up? Then you can reach in and grab it. So just remember the back of the camera is here, right? And then so you're going to face the logo of the card. And this is a 128 gigabyte card, SanDisk Extreme. You slip it in, and you got to make sure you get it in the little slot, because sometimes it pushes in between the battery and the body of the camera. And then you just got to smush it down. And once you've done that, you can close this. And apparently somehow we got something happened here, so let's get out of there. All right, so now we're good. And we're ready to shoot some video. Check it out. There's our card green, our battery's green, and we're ready to rock and roll. Now, if you want to turn the camera off, you just come to the button here, and all you got to do is give it a squeeze and hold. And Bob's your uncle, it's off. And that's how you do it. All right.